Hey, Joe Ozu here. Hey, I got another DA70 that was refurbished. Thought I'd make another quick video showing this one updating. See if it works correctly from the factory and test it out before I send it out to the end customer. So this unit, just like the previous one, I like to take a picture of the label inside because you need to have that password. So there's the password of this particular unit here. And like I said in the previous video, because I'm not very good at typing, I will go ahead and enter that password into, say, Notepad or something so that I can copy and paste it. So I think I got it spelled right. Barge-easel dash 3564. So that looks good. All set there. So I'm going to try what I did in the previous video. I went ahead and pinged it. Let's see if I can ping it here. Okay, so it talks on that. That looks good. What about this? Let's go File, New. Say whatever there. And then here I am. I'm going to use the auto detect down here to see if it finds it. Let's go do this. So admin. And then I got to highlight this password. Right click and copy this. Go back to here, paste it. Let's see what happens. Say okay. It went out and found it. It's group 4. Looks good. Is that really true? I don't know if it is or not. We'll find out here shortly. Well, I can look here. Oh, look at that. The label, this one may have went back. Actually, did go back. This was an old DA70D unit, which was a Crimson 3.0 or 3.1 product. And if you look at this one. This one was made on May 18th of 2020. So this was an old Crimson 3.1 only. And what happened is the customer was trying to migrate from Crimson 3.1 to 3.2, missed a few steps, and they kind of bricked it. So we sent it back to RedLion, and the nice folks at RedLion went ahead and fixed it up, updated it to the latest, and now I'm going to test it before I send it out to make sure it's correct. So I went ahead and did the auto detect, found it, click OK. Like I said in the previous video, well, hold on, before I go do this, let me go to here. Let's see if we can sign in this way. Remember the 222? Hit paste. There's that password. That's it. Let's hit login. Let's see here. Okay, now look. I'm logged in. Wow, this is pretty cool. It's a Group 4 product. That's pretty nice. It's more than I originally wanted, so that's pretty sweet. Anyway, notice here the firmware is 3.2.1019. If you look at my version of Crimson, I'm running 3.2.1028.0, a slightly newer. So I'm going to actually update this thing. That's the whole purpose of the video, is to show how long it might or might not take to update. And I'm doing this over the Ethernet port. That's the way I recommend. So let me go over here to display pages, and I'm going to go ahead and just move this guy down here just to be something different. I'll go over here to web server. I like to use the TCP port for that, not the TLS. And then I like to go here to features, enable remote control, even though I'm not doing anything. And I'm going to go ahead and do Bayer displayed scale. Okay, looks good. Let's go ahead and update this team. We'll go ahead and hit the send button. Ready? Let's see what happens. Say yes. Okay. I already entered the password, so it remembered. Let's see how long this one takes. The ring on the unit right now is currently green. Solid green. Let's see what it's doing. Again, the purpose of this video is to just show you how long it might take to update the firmware on a DA70 or DA50 device when you go from an older version of Crimson to a newer. That's the purpose, and to be patient. So now the LEDs are off. They're back to blinking blue. It's still updating here, so let's see what it does. All right, it's blinking green now. Okay, I think it blinked about 5-6 times. It's still blinking. Being patient. Okay, the green ring went off. The whole thing is currently off right now. Now it's coming up to a white, blue. It's kind of going between white and blue. Wish I had a camera on this. You could see it, but I don't. But you have to listen to me. So now it's solid white. All right, it's cycled power again. It's rebooting. We see the LEDs blinking on the Ethernet port. Okay, it's coming back up. It's blinking blue. Blink blue about 4 times. And then it blinked green. Now it's going red and green. Red and green. Let's see what it's doing here. You must be patient. Now it's white. It's kind of slowly glowing white, brighter here and there. It's just kind of pulsating white here, team, so be patient. I'm doing this all over the Ethernet connection, just so you know. All right, now it came up and now it's solid green. It's solid green. It's completely on. If I go back to my web browser here, let's do a refresh. Let's see if it'll let me get in here. Okay, we're going to relog in. Admin, password, Control V. I already copied and pasted. There it is. Let's log in. Hey, look, it updated the firmware. That's exactly what I wanted to see. How awesome. And of course, if I go to the runtime here, it should load remote view. And there's the hello world down there. Sweet. So this thing is also up to date and ready to be sent back. Let me go back into here. Just want to show you one more thing here. Once again, boom, boom. Notice this guy, the date code on this one is May 18th, 2020. So now this has been updated to the latest. What's also cool is this thing actually has a Group 4. It has the Crimson Control license in it. So that's pretty cool. This is a full-featured DA70. This is an awesome product here. I'd be wish I had to keep it myself. It's a nice product. It'd be awesome to have in my bag of tricks. Hey, thanks a lot, folks. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you later.